Whenever you're ready.
Excuse me?
Look, I don't want to be wasting your time. I don't think you should be wasting mine.
Okay. I'd like to take a second to look at your resume, though.
Well, you'll find everything's there.
Everything?
That's right. Theater, film, improv, burlesque, dramatic, interpretive dance.
Burlesque?
Well, I almost made it to the finals.
Finals?
Of the Pussycat Dolls.
Oh, right. Of course.
So shall we?
Super.
Okay, I'll be reading for the role of woman.
Got it.
I told myself I was over you. I promised myself not to live this lie.
It's not a lie. I haven't stopped thinking about you.
Then you're lying to yourself. You need your freedom, whether you recognize it or not. Okay. I think that ought to do it.
I'm sorry, what?
Just let me know when I start.
Start?
Have a nice day.
Day? What just happened? Ben and Jen?
Actually, it's pronounced Yin. It's Swedish.
And I'm Ben, not Swedish, so I just call him Jen.
You
I do, I go there.
That's super. Normally, I just read one actor at a time.
Oh, well, we do everything together.
Ever heard of Ben and Jen?
Well, yes.
We're getting quite the reputation as a two-man comedy team.
Watch out, Adam and Rob.
Will and Vince.
Owen and Luke.
Owen and Luke?
They seem to think so.
True.
Excuse me.
Yes?
Could we maybe just read the sides?
Sure.
Great. Who's going to read first?
You go again. Always. You go ahead.
Age before beauty.
Oh, dear Lord.
All right, here we go. Okay, go. Oh my gosh, this was a much better idea than going to the bar again.
I know. Sometimes that place gives me the creep.
You mean creeps?
No, I mean creep. Did you see that guy who tried to pick me up last night?
Yeah, I saw him. Kind of sent him over.
What?
Yeah, he was driving me crazy. He asked me to marry him twice.
Thank you so much. Yeah, okay, we're done here.
Nice.
Yeah, that was great.
Dude, that line you did with the line.
No, it's all about the timing.
True, so true.
Mom's gonna be so
I
proud.
can't wait to give her a hug.
Mommy.
Maybe a little too real.